When the first OnePlus Watch hit the market, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. People found it promising due to its price and sleek appearance, but it left them feeling like something was missing. It lacked certain features like an always-on mode, giving off an unfinished vibe. Seeming a tad rushed, the watch missed a chance to shine brightly. Now, all eyes are on the horizon for the OnePlus Watch 2. Rumors are swirling, hinting that OnePlus is taking its time to craft something special this time around. The release date remains a bit of a mystery. Speculations point towards an early 2024 launch. Recent sightings on certification websites suggest that the watch might hit the market sooner rather than later, possibly in the early part of 2024. Rumors on the price front are scarce. The original OnePlus Watch was priced competitively at $159, aiming to undercut its rivals. While an increase in price might happen, it's improbable to reach the levels of an Apple Watch Series 9 or Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The circular design seems to persist with the OnePlus Watch 2, but leaked renders reveal a new addition, a prominent bulge on the right side. This peculiar feature raises questions. Is it a scrolling mechanism, a fingerprint sensor, or something for ECG readings? The purpose behind this bulge remains a mystery, adding intrigue to the otherwise sleek design. The OnePlus Watch 2 carries the anticipation of a revamped and more refined version, with rumors circulating and leaked images stirring curiosity. Tech enthusiasts eagerly await its official reveal. Stay tuned for updates on this mysterious bulge and further details about the OnePlus Watch 2.